right, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar, Rex, Orange County. All right, cool group there, always uplifting to play their songs, and there can be a little bit experimental sometimes. This time we have a much easier take on their usual songs, but anyway, it's called Take a Drive. So a cool song there, fits guitar very, very well. So if you love this song, let's go grab a guitar, grab a capo, put it on the second fret, and we are set for the song. Now let's go into the chords. So we have pretty much one main chord progression that goes through the entire song, except for one bridge part later on. So it will be pretty easy. This is one. We're gonna start with C, and that is third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. The next coming chords here, they will be similar, just changing the bass note. So the next one is the C B chord. So the only difference there from C to C B is you have the B note instead of this C note. That's the reason of having that name. So you play second fret A, and then the rest down there will be the same as the C. So it will be second D, open G, first B, and open E. That's the same scenario with the next chord, which I will call the A minor 7 / A sharp. Okay, and that's just my take on that chord, my name on that. So again, the only thing here that changes here is the bass note. You have that bass note now on the A sharp note. That's the reason for the name. So you play the first fret A string, and then the second D, open G, first B, and open E. So again, everything there changes or stays except from the bass string, which changes there. All right. Next chord is the A minor 7. So you just take away that first fret A and make that open, and that's the A minor 7. So now the bass note is the open A, and again, everything down there is the same. So second D, open G, first B, and open E. That's the A minor 7. Then we have the F minor chord, which is a bar chord. So you place the index finger on the first fret and push down all strings there. Then you need to add third A and third D. We also got the E minor, and that will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E. Then we have the F. Okay, so we had the F minor like this. What you're gonna do with the F chord, exactly the same grip, plus you're gonna add the second fret G string, okay? That is the F chord. And finally, we have the G, and that will be third E, second A, open G, third B, and third E. Okay, so some technical stuff here to begin with the chord switches. We have the C. Then you go from that to this position. I think it's the best one. You're holding the CB chord with the mid finger on the second A and the ring finger on the second D, because the next chord there will be this one. So what you do, this shift could be a little bit tricky if you don't follow this. So keep that ring finger still on the second fret D string, and the other two fingers need to recuperate to this position to get the A minor A sharp chord. So that will be hard if you don't follow this pattern here, which I'm teaching you. So some technical stuff there. And then of course, you're getting the A minor 7, you just release the index finger and you have that. So yeah, just to make life a little bit simpler with the chord switches. Now, to handle the chords is much, much easier. So if you go back to the first chord, C, you're gonna play one string pattern that goes down, down, clap, down. So that is one round, and a couple of rounds goes. All right, so we have that now. And the main pattern here for the song is to play C, 2 string rounds, then the CB, 2, then the A minor A sharp, 2, and then the A minor 7, 2, and then F minor, 2, E minor 2, back to F minor 2, and G2. It's a pretty long one, but that is just keep on rolling through the entire song almost. So let's go for a round together. C2, CB, A minor A sharp, A minor, F minor, E minor, F minor, guys. So that is the main pattern, 95% of this song. But then at 1 minute and 51 seconds in comes the bridge parts. Love, then you leave it. That's where on the lyrics. What you're going to do here is just to play F, 4 string rounds of the same, down, down, clap, down. So F4, and then G4. And once you play that F4, G4, you go back to the main pattern, and you just play that till the very end. We love these kind of scenarios. Play the same, just focus on playing, having fun. So, yes, Rex, Orange County, take a drive. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Till next time, play tuned.